Pupunta kayo magpa-car wash, guys. Touchless car wash dito sa Canada. Canada. Ayan, pagkatapos ng hearing test ni Atali, it's all good. Passed. There's Clayton.
Hi, and I got it now.
Oh, he said that's Atali there. Hi, Atali. How are you there? Yeah. He needs pacifier. Don't remove it. What a kid. He said don't need a pacifier.
It's here up.
That's my dad there, and the daddy is over there. The daddy of the kids. Hi there, Atali. What are you doing there? Atali?
Here's the bus.
Yeah, my dad was telling, oh, there's also persons waiting on the waiting shed. Are they waiting for something? They're waiting for the bus also. They're
Wrong bus though.
getting bus. Ang dami pang pila, guys. So hindi pa tayo makakapasok sa car wash. Maghihintay pa tayo.
Trucks and stuff.
Okay, so what did you do a while ago, Han? How do you pay?
So it ended up being 14.
Oh, you have to pay first and then go on the...
Yeah, and then you get a code.
Oh, and then that's the code that you're going to punch in there.
Yeah.
Hey? Okay.
And then
So
stop
guys,
when it
yeah.
gets to the front wheel. And then I gotta go again for the back wheel.
Oh, okay. Ganyan pala.
And closer, punch this number in.
Tapos ipapunch niya yung number daan sa punch code. May pag-punch yan dyan. Hindi ko lang kasi makita. Yun pala, oh. Ayan. Guys, papasok na tayo sa car wash section. Oh, that's how it is. Okay.
Where does it say stop?
I don't know. Forward, it
Yeah.
says.
Going.
Oh yeah, forward. There. Then it says stop,
Yeah.
so that's when you stopped.
Yep.
May light doon banda, guys. Ayan, sabi stop, so nag-stop siya. Yeah, it's starting to clean now. It's cleaning the other side first. Ayan.
Pretty good. Pretty nice to lose. I think that's on the inside.
No, that's just a rinse yet, right, Han?
Yeah, it's just free soap.
Then soap. Next is soap.
Soap.
That's a soap, guys.
Baby.
Yun na yan, splattering soap on it.
Yeah.
Ayan. It's cleaning now.
Yeah, it's still soap.
So it's putting two soaps, eh?
Yeah. Two different ones.
Two different. Wow. What's the next?
Rinse again.
Rinse again.
It's letting it soak a bit. Now it's washing.
Now it's washing the...
Polish. Color
Okay,
polish.
next is color polish. Wow, that's like a rainbow.
Yep. It's a clear coat color.
Polish. Yeah. It smells good too.
Yeah, I think we do.
Spotless. Something.
Puppy.
Spot free rinse now.
Rinse now, rinse.
Spot free.
Spot free rinse. Okay. Spot free rinse.
Let's see if it dries us.
Oh, and that's a dry, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So it's drying now, guys.
There, done. No pass.
Yun pala yung procedure. There. Pre-soak, high pressure wash, color polish, clear coat protection, spot free rinse, and then laser dry. Okay. Ayan, nagda-dry na siya. And then, it's done.
Pretty narrow.
Yeah, you have to wait for the air. Forward. Ayan.
We go park and take a look at it?